Hello everybody. Today we're going to be making, I guess YouTubers not pets as YouTubers, or YouTubers as pets, whatever. Because I recently just watched a few videos of, some YouTubers' pets, and let's just say I found one that absolutely touched my heart, and I really wanted to make it, and my boyfriend is probably going to love me forever and on end. Not like he already does that, because, sorry if you heard a loud sound, this cat that I'm planning to make is going to be the cat in the video I just watched. I'm trying to find the pictures. The cat's name is I think, Badger. And, he did have a sister named Mink, but Mink is, dead. She died at her early age and while they were trying to save her. So, yeah. I'm actually probably going to have to figure out my fan real quick before we continue this. Now, for most people that know Bandit, if you know him, he is really cute. He's not like this, but nobody really knows what breed he is. Unless you think you know the breed, only breed I can really see being close to him, let me find it, is this one, the tuxedo cat. That's the only cat I see him being close to, breed-wise. And, he's not really like a skinny cat like that. He's kind of bloated, so we are going to give him a bit of a belly, because he is kind of only a little bit bloated, because if you see his latest video on him, he was adopted, and he only had a tiny bit of a belly. So, now, we're going to be going off of his photos. I have my phone right here, it's kind of going to be difficult to look back and forth. Alright. We are going to make this cat full on black. There you go. Now, let's do his face. He does have green eyes like this cat, so that's good. Let's see if I can do this. If I can't, I can't. So, we'll make him as good as we can. So we're going to do that, make it a tad bit darker, because I don't think it was really a perfect way for anybody. So, here's a nice little thing right here in the middle of his face. It does not touch his eyes. So, we're going to kind of just start from here. I'm just gonna kind of branch out. This thing is kind of big. And now, for his face, this lovely thing branches out into, it's kind of hard because I only have one side. There we go. Kind of branches out and kind of curves this way. Because you can see a bit of a curve in his face with this thing. So, let me see if I can. There we go. That's a little bit more like it. There we go. You would say that's a lot more like him, right? We might fix this thing up as we go. So just gonna make it big, a 3. That's it, because I don't want it too big. And if I look at his picture, it goes down into his nose and touches his nose on this side. But on the other side, it kind of goes a little bit around his nose. And into his little cheek right here. And this thing does go into his cheek right here. It's just going to go like this. And then he has a nice thing of white to kind of match it up. It looks weird now, but I guarantee you it's going to pay off. Now, right now I'm just going to focus on his face. So now let's just kind of fill in the facial features. I'm not worrying too much about being precise in this little area. It's wider. Make the brush a little bit bigger. See, look at that. That's a cute kitty. Alright. Fix that up. Alrighty. Now, I guess we can go ahead and do his nose. So, he kind of has a pink nose. See? Yeah, it is kind of like Clark's. It has a orange hint to it. There we go. We're going to leave a little bit left over because this is where the black's going to be. Let's grab not as much of a black. There you go. And then we're going to go back to our lovely shade here. There we go. I don't think very many people notice that, but he does have a bit of black on his nose. And his ears are kind of black too. So we're going to... Let me actually... It's more of like a pink black. We're just going to do this. And now let's fix up the eyes a bit. There we go. Now we gotta fix up the nose. There we go. What a cutie. Brush size smaller. See, I told you it'd be fixed up. Slowly. But at least it's getting fixed. There. I'm actually really loving this. We're 8 minutes in and we only have the face pretty much done. I don't think he has that big area right there. That big bump in the middle. Hang on. Nope. It kind of more curves into it. So we're gonna fix that up with some white here in a sec. Or that actually looks pretty damn close. We just need a little bit more white. I know for a fact white is good. And now let's go back to the black. There we go. I like that. Now, I want everybody to remember that I do want this to look as much like the cat as possible. So if I take a while working on the cat, that's why. So I know the cat has a little bit of a bump right here. There we go. Now it's good. Need my white again. There we go. That looks really cute. I love that. Alright. Now this one kind of flows with it. So there we go. That's more like it. I think it's a little bit. No, it has that curve at the end. Alright. I'm gonna go to a part where I can see his lovely chest and belly and go ahead and start doing. Now this is the bright side, because I don't have a wire. No, I didn't mean for you to sit. Just please stand back up. Thank you. Let's actually have the cat do this. It's not really yet. See? Oh, the kitty in it. Now I do see it going down from his little chin right here. We're gonna fix that up. But it goes down and he kinda has more of a, not that big, but a shape, more of a circle shape in his chest right here. Now it's time to fix up his chest. So we're gonna zoom in, go. This is probably gonna be a long video, but I know it's not nearly that big. Except for the middle right here, but now we're just gonna need to kind of round it off. Now we all know it's not that long. Now we have to keep in mind there is his neck there, so yeah. Now I think even though it gets a little bit bigger than that, I do have two pictures of him, and it does seem to kind of curve this way a bit, so I can do this again, zoom in. I just kind of want to even this out right there. Now we're going to take a white brush. Not nearly as big. There we go. Now it kind of goes like this, and goes down. On both sides. I don't really think there's much fixing up to do here. Other than straighten the lines up. Oh my god, he looks like his normal cute self. I love it. I really do. Alright. Now, we have to do his paws, and I normally do animal paws like this, so it would be this paw that we gotta work on. Right here. And a little bit of white goes on both sides of the paw. Well, actually, no. This paw has more white than this paw. This paw only has the slightest bit of white. I'm gonna go like this. And when he's a grown-up, it kind of more flattens, because when he's a kitten, he has more of a bump to it. But just to kind of keep up that thing, we're going to make a tiny bit of a bump in between each one, so that way you can still see that cuteness. There we go. Fix that up a bit. That is adorable. Let's just do this now. There we go. Now he looks freaking adorable. I love that paw. Alright. Now, this paw. This paw has a lot more to it. So, basically, half of the entire paw is white. There we go. This whole area we are going to color white. There we go. Look how cute it is. I love that little paw. Alright. Now his back feet, so I'm looking at both of them as an adult and a kitten. His back feet have a longer thing, so we're gonna do that one standing. I'm trying to think here. It kind of goes up from his heel here to there, I think. Just the other way around. I think something like this. I don't know though, because it does look like it goes up over his heel, but when you look at him, ooh, now I get it. Alrighty. We're actually gonna do both paws like this. Let me make the brush size a bit bigger. No, that is way off. Hang on. There we go. There we go. Now we just color our whole two paws this color. And he does have a bit of pink in there too. So we're gonna do that too. Now we're gonna get him to lay down again, so we can color the bottom of his feet. There we go. Now this is where the pink comes into play. Just the slightest thing of pink. We're gonna zoom in, have him lay down. You see these feet right here? He just has the smallest thing of pink in between each paw. Look at that. And I think we'll start like kind of connecting it. I don't know. We're definitely gonna make his paws pink. I think he also has it on his front paws. Hang on. Nope, not really. A little bit on this paw. Like in the middle, like right there. So we're gonna do the tiniest bit of pink in between his little pawsies. There we go. And we stand up. See a little bit of pink in his little paws. Now, I believe he has some on his belly. Yes, he does. Alright. Get you to lay down again. And in a way, it kind of bounces off of him. Like right here. It's more of a circle shape. That up. Then we go You go across, and you can see a little bit of the white on his belly. So we'll make sure to show that. We're gonna make the cat do this, because this is easier for me than having the belly like it was. So, there we go. Now, the only hard part is straightening it up. There we go. Now, make him stand up. And now, take this and kind of show his belly a bit. Because you can kind of see his belly. Yeah. Kind of like that. Doesn't he look like a tuxedo cat? Oh yeah, and I think he also has a tip on his tail. Yeah, he has a nice little tip on his tail right here. Now, a good way to make sure you get all of the cat is right here. Get the cat to lay down so you can see under the tail. Hold that. Because you can't really see under the tail like this unless you do that. So actually, let the cat move its tail like that again. There. There we go. And there he is. I think we're all done. What I need to do now is fix up his eyes. His eyes are this green color, but it's more of a... I'm gonna try to get it more of a brighter green. Here we go. And his whiskers are white, as usual. And he has nice, really long whiskers. Right there. He has really long whiskers. His are more gray. There we go. And I think that's pretty much it. We just need to make his pupils a bit smaller. It's not like ridiculously tiny, but he does have quite some slits. There we go. And there you go. We just need to put his personality and stuff. Overall, he's done. Mr. Badger. Succeeded. Mr. Badger. And I have been thinking about making his sister. It's just with his sister. I'm going to have to take my best guess because we didn't get to see her grow up fully. But I'm guessing she'd basically be full on black, and I think she had a tip on her tail. So, I don't think he's aloof. I think he is friendly. He's definitely a clever cat. And don't worry, I know people are going to ask me to make his girlfriend. Don't worry, we will make her. It's just going to be harder to find pictures. And he is... She did say he loves to eat, so we'll make him a gluten. Alright. Look at this cutie. I love how he turned out. Honestly, he is just... I'm in awe right now. Now, let's see if he looks very similar when he was a kitten. Yes, I love it. And look at that. He has this nice long little... Oh, I love him. I love him. I love him. I love him. We're gonna have him as a kitten. But this is him as an elder. Or at least in the Sims version. See, he's some fur. That's gonna be really sad. We are gonna make his generation pass on in the Sims. Because even though he can't, he's most likely fixed. due to the person that took care of him until he had to be adopted. In The Sims, we're going to see what it would be like if we ran his family generation on, and we're going to have him and his girlfriend breed. But for now, we'll let his girlfriend be in another video. This is him, and actually, real quick, let's pick something up. I think his whole chin would actually be white, now that we think about it. That does not make sense at all. Hang on, we're going to fix this up a bit. We don't need the fucking thing. There we go. That makes a lot more sense. Look at that. Ain't that cute? There we go. Now he's all done. He is just the sweetest thing. I think he had kind of a low meow. There we go. And he is fixed. And you'll see how I make their kittens here soon. But, ignore the person right here, because I didn't even bother to create her. I just wanted to create the cat. But there you go. A beautiful cat. I love him. Stay tuned for his girlfriend's video. And if you guys want, I can do a let's play on him and the other person. Or the other cat. And then you can decide, like, if I should make a YouTuber as their person, or make, just make a random person. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.